Hey, hi, hello. We are going to sway this weekend. Of course, I've got two videos for you to watch, two different ways of swaying. But before we get to that, I am going to ask you now to message your classmates. Remember, in our last set of assignments, I asked you to choose 6 classmates that you would like to message, classmates that you may have something in common with. Maybe you see classmates that are very interesting. So you're going to write short 100-word messages to 6 classmates, and for extra credit you can do another 4 if you like. You can reply to your classmates' messages, but you don't necessarily have to. And once you have finished messaging your classmates, you're going to copy and paste the messages into a Word document and then upload those messages to me for grading. So that's one of the assignments that we're going to be doing this weekend. Remember, you have until Tuesday at midnight with a 3-hour grace period. And then you will notice that I have 2 videos on the announcement page today, 2 different ways of swaying. So you're going to watch both videos and then you're going to tell me which one you prefer and why. Very easy assignment, kind of a fun assignment. All of these assignments with these first 2 deadlines are me trying to get to know you, who you are, how well you're writing, how well you're reading directions, helping you understand how to use Canvas, uploading things. So there's a kind of method to the madness of these assignments, especially this one. So watch the 2 videos and you will write something about them. And the other thing that I'm going to have you do is use NetTutor for this last assignment about the 2 videos. In the left-hand navigation bar, the white navigation bar, you will see a link that says NetTutor. So you will click on NetTutor, and after clicking on NetTutor, you will see a notice that says, please select a group to receive tutoring in that area. So of course you're going to click on English, and it will welcome you. And then you will see a link, well, several links on this page. After you've gone into NetTutor, you'll see drop in and meet with a live tutor. You can drop off a paper, you can drop off a question. You have an English locker. Now the English locker is when you work with NetTutor. After working with NetTutor, your transcripts, your papers will come back to your English locker. Anyway, with this particular assignment, I want you to drop in and meet with a live tutor. I don't want you to drop off your paper. I want you to drop in and meet with a live tutor, and I've given you directions on how to do that. It's a very useful experience, but you have to follow my directions very carefully because a live tutor only will work with your paper, but only works with 2 or 3 specific things about your paper. The live tutor won't go over the whole paper and help you with everything. That is not going to happen. That happens when you drop off a paper and it takes 48 to 72 hours. Well, they're supposed to give your paper back in 48 hours, but they sometimes don't. Sometimes it takes them as long as 72, and I don't really like that. So we have another alternative besides NetTutor for that. So anyway, that's going to be your experience this weekend. You're going to be sending messages to your classmates, and you're going to be watching these sway videos, and you can sway right along with the sway videos and then you're going to write about them and work with NetTutor Live. Remember, you can't wait until the last minute to do these assignments. They all take a little bit of time. If you wait until Tuesday to do all of this, it's not a good idea to procrastinate like that. Don't do that. In fact, it's better to get them over with. Work in advance so that you can rest at the end and do your other classwork, because I know you all have other things to do too. Finally, we will see you online.